Careful with the edges on this one. Understood. This stack is nearly full. Good. Let's start the next stack. This one is heavier. Ready? Yes.
The trees are looking strong. Yes, a good harvest. This fruit is almost ready. A few more days. Let's check the soil here. Yes, the saplings look healthy. The texture is good, not too dry. I agree, it's ideal. These branches need careful pruning for the fruits to grow strong. Yes, let's start from the base and work up. Good. Trim this one here to promote better airflow. Understood. Moving to the next row.
This batch looks very good. Yes, the seeds are very full. Let's keep these separate. Good idea. They will fetch a better price. Almost done with this pile.
The lotus fruit yield is looking very promising. Growth is strong and moisture levels are optimal. We can expect a 25% increase in harvest. This bodes well for the season. Let's connect the main lines here. Okay, hand me the connector. Good. Now add the emitters. The lotus fruit yield looks excellent this year. Yes, the pods are much larger than last season. I think the new fertilizer is working. Indeed, this will be our best harvest. I agree. Let's inspect these lotus fruits for quality. Agreed. This one looks promising. The seeds are firm. No discoloration. Good. Check this one for size. Perfect.
These look perfect for the crate. Yes, let's fill this one first. Careful with the stems. I will. Almost done.
Humidity at 65%. Perfect for the lotus fruit plants. CO2 is optimal. Let's adjust the irrigation schedule. Temperature is stable. The systems are in sync. Heave it up, brothers! Got it. To the truck. One more crate. Inside, push. All clear. Next one. The sensors are calibrated. Throughput is steady. Good. Watch for any bruising on the softer ones. Defect rate is low. Efficiency is up. Excellent. We use this organic mulch to feed the soil. And the drip system saves water. This gives us the best lotus fruits.
These lotus fruits look perfect. Yes, arrange them nicely for inspection. This tray is ready. Good. Let's present them. They will be pleased.
Keep the large ones on the left bin.
Got it. These ones are too small.
Pile them high for shipping. On it.
Bins are filling up.
Good pace. Keep it going. Let's check the emergency stops. Confirmed. All functional. Pressure gauge is steady. Good. Testing the stop button. Belt stopped instantly. Resuming operation. Proceed with caution.
Careful with the edges on this one. Understood. This stack is nearly full. Good. Let's start the next stack. This one is heavier. Ready? Yes. Place it gently.
Careful with the edges. Don't tear the fabric. It's secure now. Check the next row.
This one is a good size. Let's check the color. Yes, the green is uniform. No blemishes. This one matches. Let's put it with the others. Good. Keep them separate.
The eastern side needs more cover. I'll adjust it now. Be gentle with the leaves. They are secure now. Good. Let's check the others.
This one is uniform in color. Check the size. Yes, it is perfectly round. Good. Let's find more like it. This one matches the shade. Excellent. Add it to the pile.
Let's review the lotus fruit metrics. The dashboard shows current yields. I see. The south region is on track, but east and west are behind. We need to adjust. Agreed. Let's simulate some changes. Trimming the branches encourages the lotus plant to direct its energy towards the fruit, promoting a healthier and more abundant yield. This technique ensures the pods develop fuller, leading to a superior harvest.
These lotus fruits are so fresh today. Yes, they'll make beautiful displays. The customers will love them. They always do.
The water pressure looks good today. Yes, the fruits are getting very clean. Check these pods for any damage. They look perfect, ready for packing.
Labels are sticking well today. Yes, the new adhesive is better. Almost done with this batch. Good, let's check the seals.
Let's check the temperature. It's 5.2 degrees, optimal for freshness. Good. The lotus fruit is preserved. Yes, quality is maintained.
Let's organize the harvest. I'll start the records. Okay, I'll sort these pods. I'll help record the weights. Good. This will help us track the yield.
For the lotus fruit project, we must discuss sustainable water systems. Agreed. Drip irrigation could be very effective here. And we can use grey water from the processing plant. Excellent. Let's plan the details.
Look at the size of this one. Yes, and the seeds are perfect. This one here is also very fine. Let's take these. A fine harvest.
The pressure here is dropping. Check the main line. On it, the joint looks loose. Good. The fields need this flow.
Pack the larger ones in this box. Yes, ma'am. Make sure. Rotate it to check for clean. Rotate it to check for spots. Good. Keep the line moving.
These panels are at peak efficiency, powering the entire lotus fruit operation. Excellent. The integration with the facilities is seamless, and maintenance is minimal. Let's review these export documents for the lotus fruit consignments. Agreed. The packing list matches the invoice, and the certificate of origin is stamped. Good. We're ready for Jebel Ali. The sensors need calibration for these pods. On it, rate is at 500 now. Check the quality on the left lane. Looks good, grade A. Let's check these first containers. They look well stored. Opening now. The pods are firm, a good sign. Check inside for any spots or damage. All clear, these are perfect.
This seal looks good. Yes, but press it firmly. It's secure. Good. Let's check the next one. Final count on the Lotus fruit shipment? Yes, 750 units. All are here. Marking as complete. I'll move the crate.
These lotus fruit saplings are thriving. The leaves are vibrant. Yes, and the fruits are forming well. They look healthy. Let's check the roots and soil moisture. Agreed. The soil feels perfect. This batch will yield well.
Let's check these labels for accuracy. Okay, this one first. Logo, weight, batch, expiry. All correct. Good. Scan the barcode to confirm. Scanning now.
These lotus fruits need constant monitoring. Yes, humidity must be perfect. It's at 65%. That's good. Perfect, we can keep them longer. Good, let's check the others. Gently now, these seedlings are very delicate. Yes, I have a firm but gentle grip. Good. We must keep them shaded until planting. Understood. I'll take this one now.
Careful with that one, it's heavy. Yes, I've got it. Stack them evenly, no tilting. This one is secure. Good. Next one.
Close the lids tightly. These are for export. Taping now. They will hold. Good. Check the labels. All crates are labeled. Excellent. Let's load them.
The Lotus fruit metrics look good. Ready for approval? Yes, I've double-checked. Initiating final save. Great. Let's confirm the status update. Status is now approved.
These lotus fruit orchards are a testament to our dedication. Indeed, they are the pride of our heritage, and they will sustain our future.